Interesting angle choice here. Everyone, welcome. We're on the 48th video on the path to $30,000 a month today. That is crazy. We're almost at 50 days. So today is gonna be a short video. We're just gonna get Mugboat orders out. Oh, my TikTok shop got verified. So now I can start posting on there and putting up my content and my products, and also people can sell my products as well, being an affiliate. So I'm super excited about that. So I got that email yesterday, which I totally forgot to tell you guys, sorry, but I'm telling you today. So let's get started, and we will try to get out over another 100 Mugboats today. We're killing it, guys, we're killing it. We're getting better at getting these Mugboats out fast. So I mean, we're just packaging these all up and getting these puppies out as fast as possible. I think I know how I'm going to get to $30,000 this month. I realize I juggle so many things, right? So many products, and I have so many SKUs, one-off stickers that I just maybe get one sale a month off of, or 5 or whatever. It's not enough. It's a couple grand a month, right? It's a little bit of money out of the money that I make. I have about 2 products to make me about $15,000 a month. And I'm thinking in my head, why am I juggling all of these? There's so many, and I'm thinking right now, I'm like, if I was Elon Musk, what would I do? If I had very little product SKUs that were selling, would you just keep them running and just have someone take the amount of time that it takes to create one product, when you could just you have like 5 products and you just scale those? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look at my data, look at what's selling the most. And then I'm gonna use that. So I'm gonna take my top 10 or top 20 products that are selling the most, if they're over $100 a month, and I'm just going to close the rest of the listings that are out of stock or whatever. Close those listings and just hone in on those 10, 15, whatever, 20 products, and then advertise and scale those. And the amount of money that I'm spending a day on those, on the 1,000 ads, I can be scaling down on just 10 or 20 of them with the same amount of money and just scale those because they're already selling. I think that's the move. And I'll have more time for you guys and more content that I can put out, doing other things like showing you my back end work, getting my advertising on Facebook back up. So I just had this huge realization. I think that is what I should do. So today I'm going to get started on that. I'm writing out a new schedule. I'm trying to streamline everything. Like, I'm trying to act like if I were Elon Musk, what would I do? Because I'm juggling so many things, the back end work, customer service, listing, all that stuff. So now I'll have more time to do that, because I'll do less of these one-off stickers that's taking up a lot of time. Like most of my videos, if you've seen them, is me doing stickers all day, decals all day. If I can just hone in on what I got, and then once I've mastered that and I got a whole bunch of stock of that, then I can add more product. Then I can test out new ideas. But until then, I need to reduce my time that I'm spending on manual labor and more time growing what I already have. So that is my idea, and that is my advice to you guys. If you're running into that issue, this is probably the best thing that you can do. So you can just reduce less brain fog, there's more clarity. So let's get started. I'm gonna get back to those Mugboats because those are important. Like I said, priorities first. Get those out and then work on the other important things as well. So, all right, back to the video. All right, so we're just trying to get as many of these out every single day. If you haven't watched the days before, so if you haven't watched them before, subscribe down below and check them out. So that's what I've been doing for the past week, is just trying to get these out as fast as possible. It is the most important thing that I can do right now. And we're also running out of Mugboats, so we're hoping that the 1,000 that I got are gonna come in soon, because if they don't, we may be in trouble. All right, so package is getting shipped out right now. I have like 10 minutes to get to the UPS store, so I'm gonna go do that, and then we will get back to work. All right, see you in a bit. All right, so starting off with eBay, we made $33.75. On Amazon, we made $659.22 yesterday, which is not bad. And then a total of $693. So pretty average, maybe a little above average. And then we've made $12,000 this month. It is the 18th. We need to be at 18K. I really believe, like, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, like, I've been burning out with making videos on top of working, and that's okay, because I'm realizing there's an issue, and the issue is not the videos. The issue is I'm working too much on manual labor. I need to cut down on what is wasting my time, and focus on what sells. Focus on the main course, you know, like focus on what really works. And so I'm doing this is like a new journey. And I think maybe for a very short period of time, I'll have less money coming in. But I think at the end of the day, guys, if we scale the products that are already doing well with the amount of money that I'm already spending on these products that aren't selling well and just targeting the ones that do, I don't see why we can't hit 30K by the end of the month. If you do want to see my journey and see what happens at the very end, please subscribe down below. I make a video every single day until we hit $30,000 a month. So yeah, so give it a thumbs up if you like it as well. But yeah, so this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Saturday. I will see you guys tomorrow for Sunday for day 49. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great rest of your night.